Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making the fried fish and vegetable. So this is my fish. I'm gonna start cleaning the fish. So this is a fresh fish I just buy and I need to clean the fish. The fish is not clean yet. I got I think like 6 big fish. So I'm gonna clean all the fish. And this is the vegetable. This is mixed vegetable, and this is cabbage, small cabbage. So this is mixed vegetable I'm gonna be making and fried fish. So this is the fish and I'm gonna start cleaning my fish. So let's start it. Okay, you ready? Finish cleaning the fish and cut the fish in two. So what I just did, I just put some seasoning on it. This is 2 seasoned black pepper and some steak sauce. Steak sauce season. This steak sauce season is very good. So So that's the season I just used for the fish. So I'm gonna mix it, and I'm gonna use 2 big onions and 1 garlic. So I'm gonna cut those onions and garlic, and this is the vegetable I'm gonna be cooking. So let's start cooking, okay? So we're gonna mix this. So the seasoning gonna go inside the fish very well, and we're gonna start frying the fish, okay? And I'm gonna cut those onions and let's start it. Okay, so this is this fish. I already seasoned the fish, and this is the onions. So I already cut the onions very well, like the way I want it. You can cut your onions the way you would like it, okay? It's not by force to do it the same way I did, okay? And this is the oil. I just put the cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil in the house you have, okay? It's not by force the kind of cooking oil I'm using. That's the same thing you need to use, not really, okay? You can use any kind of cooking oil you have, vegetable oil, any kind of oil you have at home. Trust me, you can fry the fish with it. It's not by force to use one. Okay, so this is the fish season, and this is the garlic and onions, and this is the vegetables. So I'm gonna fry my fish first, and after I'm gonna show you guys the rest of it, okay? Okay, so it's time to add the fish now. So this is my fish, and that's my oil. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take a fish and put in the oil, okay? This is the cooking oil, and I'm gonna put the fish. You can put many fish you can, okay? My pot, my pot is non-sticking pan, so I have a very good pot. So it's good to have a good pot, because if the pot is not good, it will stick in the bottle. But this pan is very good. So this is the rest of it, and I'm gonna wait till it's nice and golden before I'm gonna remove it, okay? Okay, this is the way the fish is supposed to be, nice and golden. So when the fish is nice and golden like this, it's time to remove the fish and put it inside the plate. Like I already removed the first one before, like this. That's how it's supposed to be, nice and golden. And I'm gonna remove this one and put in this plate. So I'm gonna fry the rest of it till everything is nice and fried, okay? This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so what I did, I removed some oil out of the pot. So this is some oil. So this is the rest of it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the onions. I'm gonna put some onions to it, okay? My oil is too hot. So this is the oil, and this is the onions. So I'm gonna start adding the onions to the pot, okay? Okay, I just add some I already add the onions and garlic to the oil. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna add some water to it. Just a little bit of oil, water, okay? So this is the water. I'm gonna add water. I'm not adding this whole thing. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the water, just like that. And I'm gonna mix it because I want the onions to steam, okay? So I'm gonna add 2 Maggi Jumbo, and I'm gonna put those 2 Maggi first. So I added 2 Maggi already, and I add some black pepper, and I'm gonna add some steak sauce. You always make sure you season your food very well, and always try the food if it tastes good, okay? If it don't taste good like the way you want it, you're gonna add more season to it. You keep on adding the season little by little, so you like the until you like the way the season, okay? So I'm gonna fry the onions just like this. And after, I'm going to add the fish back to the pot. And I'm going to fry it first and see if the season is good or not. If it's not, I'm going to add more season to it, okay? With steak sauce. I'm not adding no more Maggi to it. Just that 2 Maggi, that's enough. This is my fish. My fish is ready, fried already. So what I'm going to do now, and those the vegetables. So I'm going to add the fish back to the sauce. Okay, so this is the fish, the fried fish. So I'm gonna put the fried fish right here. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay, you're gonna mix it. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now, mixing the fish with the sauce, the one I make, and I'm gonna cover it just for 3 minutes. I already turned the fire to like in very low because the food is ready done already. So I'm just gonna cover it for just like a 5 minutes, and after it will be done, and I'm gonna put in the different bowl, and I'm gonna remove the fish out of this pot and make another different sauce for the vegetables, okay? Because you need to make another sauce for the vegetables too. This is how the final product of the fish look like. So I already make the sauce of the fish, and this is how my fish look like. So I'm gonna start making the sauce for the this is gonna be the sauce for the vegetable, okay? I'm gonna take some oil and put in the pot like this. I don't need to wash the pot because the pot is ready, got some season to it. And I'm gonna, this is the onions and the garlic, the leftover, and I'm gonna fry those too, okay? I'm gonna cut those onions a little bit smaller version, okay? I was supposed to cut 2 onions, I forgot, and I make everything in the same size. I'm gonna cut those in a small version, and I'm gonna show you guys that, okay? Okay, I just add the onions to it, so I'm gonna add some more little water too, just like the other one, like this. And I'm gonna add 2 Maggi to that too, and the same season, the steak sauce season I use with the black pepper, I'm gonna use those too, okay? Okay, now I already fried the onions very good, and I put some Maggi on it on the season. You need to make sure it tastes very good. Now I'm gonna put my vegetable inside those now, okay? The vegetable got some water inside, so I'm gonna remove the water because I don't want no excess water, okay? Okay, now it's time to mix it. I am mixing everything now together with the sauce, the one I made. Because you need to fry the sauce with the vegetable together. So all the good stuff you put on that sauce, the vegetable will get those same season too. You're gonna fry them. If you don't taste good like the way you want it, you're gonna add more season to it, okay? Because if you season your vegetable very well, the kid gonna eat it. But if you don't season it very well, it's nice and tasty, they will not eat it. If you just boil a vegetable like that, you don't put no seasoning on it, what make you think they want to eat it? The human be just like you and me. But if you cook this vegetable very well and season it very well, and you give it to them, they're gonna eat it. My kid, when I cook like a vegetable and season it very good and cook it very nicely, like the way I'm doing right now, they will eat it. But if you don't season very good and you just boil it with water, you give it to them like that, they'll be like, I don't want it. So this is the best way to make the kid to eat vegetable soup. So you season the vegetable very good like this, and you fry like a meat or fish, and you give it to them, they will definitely eat it. So now I'm frying it until it's nice and done like the way I want it. And I'm going to show you guys the final product, okay? Okay, this is the final product. I just fried it probably for 5 to 6 minutes, not more than that. So my vegetable is ready. So this is the fish, the one my husband gonna be eating. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of these and put on this side like this. This is my final product. This is the rest of it. I'm gonna turn off the stove, and this is the final product. So thank you for watching Howard Cuisine. Please subscribe, and share my video. Share. The more share y'all do, the more people gonna be watching the video. So please subscribe, and share my video, please. And love you guys so much. And thank you for watching Howard Cuisine once again, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe, please, and love you guys so much. From my kitchen to your kitchen, alright? And love you guys so much. Bye.